Hello everyone, and thank you so much to HWPL who allowed me speak about Quran and science. And these are just some of the many scientific facts found in the Quran. It is important to note that the Quran is not a book of science, but that it consistent with science and many examples in Quran. And today we will try to explain uh, single any single examples we can found in Quran. So we will begin from universe. So about universe in Quran, a mobile phone is clearly something that was put together in an organized way. So it would be rational. We believe that it must have an organizer. In the same way, when we see the order in the universe around us, is it rational to say that the universe has an organizer? So in Quran, chapter number 41 and verse number 53, Almighty Allah, He has mentioned, we shall show them our signs in the universe and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this is the truth. Is it not enough that your Lord is the witness of all things? Quran chapter number 41 and verse number 53. Other examples, origin of life. The facts that living things consist mostly of water was discovered only after the invention of the microscope. In the desert of Arabia, the last thing someone would have guessed is that all life came from water. So this is mentioned in Quran. Quran chapter number 21st and verse number 30. We made every living thing from water. Will they not believe? Yeah. And then embryology. We created man from an extract of clay. Then we made him as a drop in a place of settlement, formally fixed. Then we made the drop into an alaka, leech, suspended thing, and blood clot. Then we made the alaka into a mudga, chewed substance. Quran chapter number 23rd and verse number 12, 13, and 14. Professor Emorius Kelt L. Moore, one of the world's most prominent scientists in the field of anatomy and embryology, it is clear to me that this statement must have come to Muhammad from God, because almost all of this knowledge was not discovered until many countries later. Sky's protection. The sky protects the earth from the lethal rays of the sun. If the sky did not exist, then the sun's radiations would have killed all of life on earth. It also acts like a blanket wrapped around the earth to protect it from the freezing cold of space. The temperature just above the sky is approximately 270 Celsius. Of this temperature was to reach Earth, then the planet would freeze over instantly. The sky also protects life on Earth by warming the surface through heat retention. And in Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he has mentioned already chapter number 21st and verse number 32. We made the sky a protective ceiling, and yet they are turning away from our signs. Iron. Iron is not natural to the earth. It did not from on the earth, but came down to earth from outer space. This may sound strange, but it is true. Scientists have found that billions of years ago, the earth was stuck and meteorites were carrying iron from distant stars which had exploded. In Quran mentioned, we send down iron with its great inherent strength, and it is many benefits for humankind. Quran chapter number 57 and verse number 25th. Seas and ocean. Modern science had discovered that in the places where two different seas meet, there is a barrier between them. This barrier divides into two seas so that each sea has its own temperature, silently and destiny. Principles of oceanography, Davis 9293. He has set free the two seas meeting together. There is a barrier between them. They do not strangers. Quran chapter number 55th and verse number 19 and 20. So right now my time is over. So I am, because I have many other examples also already mentioned in Quran, but due to our time limits, I am taking your permission. So thank you so much to allowed me explain about Quran and science. So thank you.